howdy!
Hi!
We're in front of Golden Driller, an intimate drop tower built in 2017. Yes, this is not a regular drop tower, but a special drop tower. It's, you know,
High.
it's too high. It's 66 meters high.
That's all.
That's all.
For me, it's genoeg. Enough.
It's enough. No, this one is a special drop tower because you have 4 sides and you have 4 positions you can stand
indeed.
and drop down. Your first position is sit down, then sit down with the tilt, and then you're more hanging, and then you stand up. So 4 types that you have.
Oh my God, no, it's
So,
for
yeah.
me this attraction.
No, you're not going inside?
No, sorry.
No?
I can go. I
Well-
don't wanna die.
Well, I'm going, so I hope you enjoy the videos and see you when we're coming off. Yes, we go up. Ik weet al niet hoe je hem moet vasthouden. Zo. Zo? Ja.
Of niet?
Ja.
Gewoon uit. 2, 1 en go. Oh nee. Wow. Dat is krachtig.
Gaan we meevallen?
Mama! Laura!
Oh, ik moet die schoon.
Oh ja, dat is wel. Oh my god.
Wow, shit, dat is toch technisch, hè? Shit, wat? Maar we moeten wel klaar moeten zijn. Auw. Oh my god.
mudar. Help me mudar.
Oh shit, man! Nummer?
Ja.
Nummer?
Ja, dat is het beste. Sorry mas, sorry mas.
Alright, we're just coming off from Golden Driller, the drop tower. Wow, 4 positions that we did.
Yeah, it was really strong, but it still was really fun.
Yeah, it was really fun and really powerful. Yeah. What did you like the most? When you sit down or you stand up?
When I was floating.
When you were floating, yeah, you were hanging, more hanging actually. Yeah. So yeah, we did all 4 positions. Yeah. We did step by step. First one we sit, and with the tilt, then with the floating, and then we stood up. So yeah. I liked the most with the floating also, and also the stand-up was really nice. It's yeah, I really like this drop tower. In every park they should build something like this, but yes, but it's a good opportunity to try different positions of this attraction.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I hope you also enjoyed this video. So if you enjoyed this video, just put your thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Ciao ciao.